Given that d by dx of cos x equals minus sin x, show that d by dx of sec x is equal to sec x tan x. And given that x equals sec 2y, find dx dy in terms of y, and then hence find dy dx in terms of x. So there's the question then. So this should read dx dy, shouldn't it? Here, so let's put that in. Dx dy. Okay, so let's look at this then. So d by dx first of all then, part A. d by dx of sec x. Now sec is 1 over cos, so this is d by dx of cosine x to the minus 1. Function of function rule, the minus comes down, power rule. Minus comes down, so it's minus cosine x to the minus 2 multiplied by the something differentiated, which is minus sine, because cos differentiates to minus sine. So that becomes a plus sine x, and there's a cosine squared, isn't there? Which equals, and then if you take one of these sines to be with the sine to be with one of the cosines, you're going to get tan x. But you'll also get one of the cosines underneath, so it's 1 over cosine, which is sec x. So that's what we wanted there. Okay, sec x tan x, which is what we wanted to show. Part B, so B, find dx dy, x equals sec 2y. So let's just differentiate that then with respect to x. So here 1 equals sec differentiates to sec of something, sec tan of something, multiplied by the something differentiated. This differentiates to 2 dy dx with respect to x, doesn't it? So that tells us then. We were going to do dx dy, so let's differentiate with respect to, I'm going to do that again, but this time I'm going to differentiate with respect to x. With respect to y, sorry, so this is dx dy. And then here we just got our function that we're differentiating with respect to. So sec 2y goes to sec tan of the something. And the something differentiates now to 2. Differentiate y with respect to y, you get 1. So this is just times 2, isn't it? So this is 2 sec 2y tan 2y. So dx dy is equal to that. So that tells us then that dy dx, which is what we want now in part C, so this is part C now, is equal to 1 over this, isn't it? 2 sec 2y tan 2y. Now how do we write, we can replace the sec 2y by x, but we want to write tan 2y in terms of sec as well. So if we use the sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. Divide by cos squared here, you get tan squared, plus cos squared again is 1, and this would be sec squared. So there's the formula for the tan squared. So we can replace the tan by sec squared minus 1 square rooted. So this would equal to then 1 over 2 sec 2y. Tan would be sec squared minus 1, sec squared 2y, minus 1, square rooted, isn't it, to get to tan? So that's power half. And so that's equal to then 1 over, now replace the sec 2y by x. So it's 1 over 2x times x squared minus 1 to the power half.